So since lately, there has been a lot of talk about thirsty men. But did you know, bitches get thirsty too? The thirst is not gender specific. And god damn it, you have some thirsty bitches. I just wanna choke a bitch. I don't understand what's going on with some of these goddamn females. Shit, I just wanna choke a bitch. Why is it that some of you are so friggin' thirsty? Bitch, were you born in the desert? I swear, I just wanna choke a bitch. It's summertime, Bob. What does that mean, Todd? Thirsty bitch season. You're right, Todd. And these thirsty bitches are out in full force. The summer is so hot not because of the weather, but because of some of you goddamn thirsty bitches that are on holiday. It's just heat wave after heat wave after heat wave with some dust storms. Goddamn desert dry bitches. Some of you, I gotta wonder, like, where the fuck are you from? These bitches are thirstier than a camel in the desert in the middle of summer in a goddamn dust storm and a fucking heat wave I passed through. That's how fucking thirsty they are. Some of these girls are so goddamn thirsty. I see them on Facebook, I see them on Twitter, and I get friggin' dehydrated. Stop being so thirsty, bitch. The thirst is real, man. Stop putting thirsty ass statuses on Facebook.
Like my status if you think I'm cute.
Bitch, hydrate yourself.
Stop putting thirsty ass pictures on Instagram.
Lonely and bored, hit me up.
You dusty bitch.
Stop tweeting thirsty shit.
At my Twitter name or DM me so we could talk.
You dirty parched. Stop that shit. I don't understand where girls come off being so friggin' thirsty nowadays. Shit, I just wanna choke a bitch. Every social media network is just a bunch of thirsty. And talking about some of you parched bitches makes me parched. I feel so dehydrated when I see you dry fuck. Any minute now, some of you thirsty, dried up bitches are just going to combust. Stop being so desperate. Shit.
The thirst is real, man.
Like, you nowadays, girls, you don't know how to, like, be a lady, you don't know about them something again. Oh, Jesus. Sometimes when I see you right and put up some picture there, some thirsty picture, I see freaking attention. The only thing let me tell you now, bitch, be calm and drink some. Someone see him thirsty bitch I talk all this bullshit, but oh, thirsty niggas, birds of a feather flock together. You dusty, sandy, desert, dried up, hot Death Valley type bitch. Goddamn attention sharks. Stop seeking so much attention, and you might just catch the attention of the wrong person. Next thing, you're in the news. Bitch, this is not Sprite. You better disobey that thirst before it put you in our hearse. Talking about I'm a bad bitch. No, you're a dry bitch. You're a dry, dusty bitch. You thirsty fuck. Calm the fuck down. Find your ladiness. I can't stand these thirsty hot bitches. Oh, the thirst. Bitch, be calm. Drink something. Drink something. Drink something. Drink something. Drink something. And if that cannot do, drink something. Women, just find a lady within you. Find that lady within you. Stop craving so much goddamn attention. Stop it. We all know that thirsty girl. The whole of we know that thirsty ass bitch. Every man come around, she just looking like a damn dog that not see their owner in a long time. Calm, bitch, calm the fuck down. Bitch, be calm and drink something. I don't know if some of these bitches are experiencing constant drought. I need to perform a fucking rain dance for some of you. Put some value on yourself. Stop throwing yourselves at men. Dear God, we know it's summertime when the thirsty bitches run free. Please, God, please quench the thirst of these goddamn women with a nice shower of rain. Make it hurricane on these thirsty bitches. Send a storm, send a flood, do something. They're too thirsty, Father. Help them. If you are as real and as bad as you say you are, then you do not have to crave attention. You will get the attention you deserve. All this extra shit is not necessary. You look desperate and thirsty. You're I can only fuck it. I'm gone. Whoa. Watch out. Where you going? You think you're gonna just watch my video and don't subscribe? You must say mad to RASS. Me not play with you. You might tell you. A while they write this. Facebook it, Twitter it, Kevin do crazy. You know want start nothing. You know. Do what me tell you for do. I record it like your bumbo.
What media? Yes.